Bring it on up, boy.
Patty's gonna try and go on that. Oh my god.
Okay.
Patty's gonna try.
It's so cool. I get better.
Woo! Go Patty!
I get better air if I were you. Watch out! Holy crap! Sorry, I have experience. Here, my turn.
Oh god, Patty, that's awesome.
I know.
It's like getting on the ball.
It's fun.
Nick was riding it down here halfway around the
I
grass.
bought the same thing for my mother. She had it for all of a day, and he overtook it. And she hasn't seen it since. Yes.
She took of him, he's going down, and all of a sudden he's rolling off. He rolls off into the grass. Like, that's like YouTube, right?
He's had major experience on those stuff. You should put this on YouTube.
I will.
Okay. See, I get better air if I were you. Roll up the bottom of your pants, honey. Those are still too long.
Let's watch the professional do this. Yeah, he's the professional. He runs for it, too. Stop it, Natalie. Whoa! Whoa! Roll, Nick, roll! Roll! Oh my god, he's going further! Oh, and he's down! Oh!
That was so cool!
That was really cool. Look at those dogs. They're like, I wish I could do that. That was a good one.
Yeah, well.
That run was good.
In that cage.
Oh god, they have nothing to do.
Yeah, but they won't stop yapping at us.
I know. Oh.
My dogs,
Yeah.
my dog Fedor, he has it with people.
Oh god,
My dog Thelma, she has it with animals.
yeah.
See, Fedor will attack humans. Thelma will attack, animals, yeah. So once I've seen the same rabbit in the driveway 5 times.
Oh god, no. It's not good.
Still, I care for animals.
Me too.
It was Dad letting me drive.
Oh, here comes Daddy. Whoa!
I want to see video of me doing that.
You will. It's not done yet.
You know, stop being a bad influence on the girls. Being a bad influence.
Nat, you should do that. I wasn't going. Come on, Nat. Let it all go. Do it. Yeah, it's fun. You gotta do it. Natalie, do it. Do it. Do it. Come on. God, it's so fun. I wasn't going to, but. No, I can't. Look at my fancy clothes. I can't do it.
And they lived in Langley.
Oh, God.
Of
Woo! Woo!
4th Avenue type thing on 202nd Street. So it was a big downhill incline. It kind of had a T intersection. You had to turn the corner there. They screwed the wheelbarrow
far you
tub
went
onto
that
the top of a...
Whoa! You're like Dad.
and went
Get right up in the camera. Okay, all right.
Discrepancy in some of the boys, because the oldest boy, Mike...
Oh, we're coming up on Natalie's truck. On her baby. Natalie, come on. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Can I have another one? Or is there any more? Oh, thank you! She gave me hers. Look at acai berry. Let's probably be like, acai! Acai! I love Patty. Oh, you're gonna have Mike.
Mine's not so good, but there you have it.
I can switch you if you want.
No.
You can have it.
No.
You can have it.
No.
You can have it.
Okay, Cindy, take me.
What? Okay.
No. Your turn. Cindy, did Patty do that?
Yeah. I'm still recording.
No!
Yeah, you can have...
I'm still recording. Can I see it, please? Hold on. I'm still recording.
He's gonna go backwards down there. Are you gonna go back? That's craziness. Don't you even.
That's crazy.
Working.
Oh, Wheelie! You want me to...
Anyway.